Mark your attendance. All of you, mark your attendance. Okay, good. 17 participants. Anson, turn on your video. Kurian Joseph. Okay. Good. Okay. What we learned in the last class? What we learned in the last class? Chapter 12. What we learned? Okay, can you say the answer? Who can say the answer? Alan Thomas, unmute yourself and say. Alan, unmute. Okay. Okay. We learned about. We learned about. Plants and animals. Okay. We learned about plants and animals. Adit Joseph, can you say breathing organ of human being? Unmute yourself. Adit Joseph. Okay. Very good. Lungs. Then just Anita Philip, can you say one body part of human being? Body part of human being. Anita Philip. Say one organ. Show me your hand. Show me your hand. Anita Philip. Okay. Now, hand is one of your body part, isn't it? Okay, unmute. Okay. Anita. Okay, Dominic Viju. Unmute. Can you hear me? Okay.
Lungs.
Okay, good. Say another body part. Name of one of your body parts. Dominic, touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Touch your eye. Where is your eye? Okay. That is one of your body parts, isn't it? Okay, good. Then Anaga Suresh, can you say? Okay, Fatima, where are you? I can't see you. Fatima, where are you? Then Aflak, switch on your video. Switch on your video. Okay, then today we are going to learn about parts of plants. What? Parts of plant. Okay, then look here. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? Okay. Okay. I know we already taken this class, but okay, listen. Then parts of plants.
Parts of a plant. Get started.
Can you hear?
Our body is
Can you
made up
hear?
of different parts.
Can
A
you
plant's
hear?
body too
Show
has
your
different
thumb.
parts. Read the names of the different parts of a plant in figure 3.1. The part of a plant which grows above the ground is called the shoot. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The part which grows below the ground is called the root. The root. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is a taproot. Plants like balsam, bean and mustard have taproots. Fibrous root. When a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is a fibrous root. Plants like grass, wheat, rice and onion have fibrous roots. Functions of the root. The roots fix the plant in the soil. Without roots, a plant will be able to take in neither water nor salts from the soil. It will die. Some plants have roots that store food. Plants like carrot, radish, and turnip have thick and swollen roots. Extra food is stored in them. This food is used by the plants. We eat the roots of such plants. The stem. The stem grows above the ground. Look at figure 3.5. The stem of the neem tree is hard, strong, and woody. This keeps the tree upright. Such a stem is called a trunk. Banana has a green, thick, and soft stem. The stem of the money plant is green, weak, and soft. It needs support to stay upright. Functions of the stem. The stem also carries water to the leaves. The water taken in by the roots travels through the stem to the leaves. Similarly, the stem carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. In plants like sugarcane, extra food is stored in the stem. In plants like potato and ginger, the stem grows below the ground and stores extra food. That is why we eat the stem of sugarcane, potato, and ginger. The leaf. The most important part of the shoot is the leaf. Most living plants have green leaves. The flat and broad part of a leaf is called the leaf plate or lamina. In the middle of the leaf is the main vein. A number of side veins branch out from the main vein. The veins carry water to the leaf. The leaf is attached to the branch by a stalk. Functions of the leaf. Why is the leaf an important part of the plant? A plant, like all other living things, needs food to grow and live. A green leaf makes food for the plant with the help of water, air, and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. This is why a leaf is called the kitchen or the food factory of a plant. The food made by the leaves is sent to all parts of the plant through the stem. In some plants such as cabbage, spinach, and lettuce, the leaves store extra food. That is why we eat the leaves of such plants. The flower. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. See the flowers in figure 3.9. Remember their names and try to look for them in the garden. Do you know that most flowers grow into fruits? That is why a farmer feels happy when he sees flowers on his mango trees. He knows that these flowers will turn into fruits. A young flower is known as a bud. In figure 3.10, you can see how a flower grows into a fruit. Fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed, some have a few seeds, while others have many. A mango has one seed, whereas an orange has a few seeds. A papaya has many seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. Seeds are usually protected inside the fruit. Do you know what is protected inside the seed? There is a baby plant and its food inside the seed of the mother plant. When the seed gets enough air, water, and warmth, the baby plant starts growing. It grows till it is a fully grown plant.
Yes, Muhammad. Okay. Muhammad T, what happened? Muhammad T. Muhammad T, unmute yourself. Yes. എന്ത് പേജ് നമ്പർ മോനെ ചാപ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ 3 പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് പ്ലാന്റ്സ്. പേജ് നമ്പർ മിസ്സിന്റെ ബുക്കിലെയും മോട്ടറുടെ ബുക്കിലെയും തമ്മിൽ മാറ്റമുണ്ടാവും. എൻ്റേത് 126 ആണ്. 126. ഓക്കെ. Then yes. Okay. Next.
The flower. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. See the flowers in figure 3.9. Remember their names and try to look for them in the garden. Do you know that most flowers grow into fruits? That is why a farmer feels happy when he sees flowers on his mango trees. He knows that these flowers will turn into fruits. A young flower is known as a bud. In figure 3.10, you can see how a flower grows into a fruit. Fruits and seeds. Fruits have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed, some have a few seeds, while others have many. A mango has one seed, whereas an orange has a few seeds. A papaya has many seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. Seeds are usually protected inside the fruit. Do you know what is protected inside the seed? There is a baby plant and its food inside the seed of the mother plant. When the seed gets enough air, water and warmth, the baby plant starts growing. It grows till it is a fully grown plant.
Third standard science.
Parts of a plant. Most plants have two main parts. One part of a plant is below the ground and the other part is above the ground. The part that grows below the ground is called the root. There are two types of roots plants usually have. They are taproots and the fibrous roots. A taproot is a long, thick root that grows deep down into the soil with smaller root branches coming out from its sides. Carrots, beetroot,
Okay, please wait.
and mustard plants have taproots. A fibrous root is made up of many small roots having similar size and they grow out in many directions. Grass, wheat,
This is popcorn making this. Okay, popcorn plant another.
and rice plants have fibrous roots.
This is mustard plant. Okay. This
Roots
is
hold the plant firmly in the soil so that it is not
Please wait.
blown away by wind or uprooted by grazing animals. Roots take up water and useful minerals from the soil. Some roots store food, like the roots of carrot, turnip, and beetroot store food. We eat the roots of these plants. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. The shoot consists of stems, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. This is stem of a plant which grows above the ground and hold the plant straight. It bears branches, leaves,
This
and
is mustard
buds.
flower plant.
It carries water and food to different parts of the plant.
Please wait.
The stem of some plants, such as sugarcane, potato, and ginger, store food. We eat the stem of these plants. Leaves grows on stem. Most leaf have a flat and broad surface known as leaf blade. If you look closely, the leaf has thin tube-like network running through the entire leaf. These tubes are called veins. The veins carry water and minerals to the entire parts of the plant and prepare food for the
For the
plants.
plant.
This process of making food is known as photosynthesis. Thus, leaves are known as food factory
Okay.
or the kitchen of the plant.
Okay.
Leaves
Listen
help
carefully.
plant to breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. The leaves of some plants such as cabbage, spinach, and coriander store food. We eat the leaves of these plants. A flower is the most beautiful and colorful part of the plant. Most flowers grow into fruits. Fruits have seed inside them. Fruits such as mangoes, peaches, and cherries have one seed. Fruits such as apples, oranges have a few seeds. Fruits like papaya and pomegranates have many seeds. Seed has a baby plant inside it. When it gets enough air, water, and warmth, the baby plant begins to grow and transforms into a plant. Drag and drop the parts of the plant.
Okay. First one is, this fixes the plant in the soil. This fixes. Can you say the answer? This one? This one? This is fruit. Okay. And this one is? That is root. Then this one is most colorful parts of a plant. That is flower. And this is leaf. And this is stem. Now, our first question is, this fixes the plant. Who is writing? Who is writing in the board? Who is writing that? Undo it. Okay. Okay, good. Don't repeat it. Okay. I already told you. Okay. Then listen. Suppose I am drawing this. Is it correct answer? Okay, check. No.
Oops.
No. Hey, who is writing in the board? Who is doing that? Undo it. പറഞ്ഞാൽ മനസ്സിലാവില്ല ഇൻസ്പെക്ഷൻ ടീമുള്ള ക്ലാസ് ആണെന്ന്. ഇൻസ്പെക്ഷൻ ടീം വാച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ക്ലാസ് ആണിത്. Okay, then, okay, this fixes the plant in the soil. Correct answer. Okay, check. Yeah.
Excellent.
Excellent. Good. Root fixes, okay, the plant. Then, next one, this is also known as the kitchen of plant. This is also known as the kitchen of the plant. Okay, look here. Okay, okay. Answer is? Yeah. Our
Well
answer is
done.
well done. Good. The next question. This is the most beautiful and colorful parts of a plant. This is the most colorful and beautiful part of a plant. Can you say the answer? Can you say the answer? Can you say the answer? This is the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. Okay, listen. Okay, check. Then, yeah, this is the correct answer. Next one. This has seeds in it. This has seeds in it. Answer is this one? No. This one? No. Okay, we can select this. Okay, then check. Yeah,
Brilliant.
okay. This is the trunk of a plant. This is the trunk of a plant. Which one? This one? This one? No, this one. Okay. This is a trunk of a plant. This is a trunk of plant. Okay, check.
Well done.
Okay, that's correct answer. Okay,
Activity completed.
good. Then, who is writing the monitor? I already told you that don't do like that. Okay? I already warned you. Next, parts of plant. Next, parts of plant. First one is root. Okay? Root. Taproot, fibrous root. Okay? Taproot, fibrous root. No, taproot. Okay, taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is a taproot. Okay, when a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is a taproot. It is a taproot. Listen carefully. When a main plants such as balsam, beans, and mustard have tap roots. Okay, stem. Parts of a plant, root, stem. Stem has shoot. Shoot has a stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seed. These are the main parts of a shoot. Okay, main parts of a shoot. This is stem, this is leaf, this is flower and fruit and seed. Okay. Stem. Stem is the trunk. Main part of stem is trunk. And this is weak stem on the money plant. Like plants have weak stem. They need help of other plants to climb up. They have soft, weak stem. So they need support to climb on. Next one is function of the stem. Function of the stem. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. The stem also carries water to the leaves. The water taken in by the roots travels through the stem to the leaves. Similarly, the stem carries the food made by the leaves to the different parts of the plant. In plants such as sugarcane, extra food is stored in them. This is a plant of mustard. Mustard means kadugu. Okay, mustard. And this is the stem. This long portion. This is the stem. And this is branch. This is one of its branches. Okay, this is flower. It's the most colorful part of a plant is flower. Look here. And here can you see buds? Okay, look here. These are buds. Okay, buds means small flowers that are not developed fully. And these are seeds. These are seeds. Okay. Then mustard seed. We can get it from after. It is only in ripe stage. Okay. We will get seeds from this part. That is. Okay. Then the main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright. Main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright, straight. and support its branches. The stem also contains leaves, flowers, buds, and seeds. Okay, the stem also carries water to the leaves. The stem also carries water to the leaves. The main function of stem is hold the plant upright. Then it also carries water to the leaves, and in turn it take food to different part of the plant produced in the kitchen. That is, leaf is the kitchen of plant, isn't it? Ajit Joseph, sit properly. Seed. Then the water taken in by roots, that's main function of root is absorbing water. Okay, main function of stem is holding the plant straight, but the main function of root is absorbing water and salt from the soil. Otherwise, the plant cannot survive. In plants such as sugarcane, extra food is stored in the stem. It is very sweety, isn't it? Sugarcane. Okay. Then a plant has different parts. A plant has different parts. Look at here. Okay, this is bud. Can you see this small portion? Can you see this small portion? That is bud. Okay, and this yellow, this one, look, these are flowers. These are flowers. And this is leaf. This is leaf. And this is branch. This long green, that is stem of the plant. The total shoot is the portion of the plant which grow above the ground is shoot. The portion of the plant which, say along with me, the portion of the plant which grow above the soil is shoot, and the portion of the plant which grow below the soil is root. Okay. Say once more, the portion of the plant which grow above the ground is shoot, and the portion of the plant which grow below the soil is root. Okay. The main function of root is to absorb water and minerals from soil. Absorb water and minerals from soil. And okay, then your homework is draw a picture of this plant. Do you know which plant is this? Do you know? This is tomato plant, isn't it? Yeah, good. This is tomato plant. And draw a picture of this tomato plant and color it and label all its parts. That is bud, flowers, leaf, branch, fruit, stem, and this portion is shoot and this portion is root. Okay. Okay, then you can color it. Green color to leaves, red to fruit, and this portion is white. That is the root portion which grow below the ground. Okay, good. Sorry. Now, new words for you. Ajit Joseph, listen here. Ajit Alan Thomas, listen here. Okay, parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. This is shoot. Ready? Shoot. Alan Thomas, can you say what is shoot? Alan Thomas, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay. You can read from here.
The part of a plant which grows above a ground is called
Shoot.
shoot.
One second.
The shoot.
Yes, that's enough. That is enough. That is enough. The part of a plant which grows above the ground is called shoot. The part of the, say with me, the part of the plant which grow above the ground. You can see it in the monitor, the screen itself. Okay. Part of the plant that grows above the ground. Then branch. Okay. Part of the plant that holds the leaves, flowers, etc. Part of the plant that holds the leaves, flowers, etc. That is branch. Once again, the part of the plant that hold the leaves, flowers, etc. Okay. Then, okay, next portion is bud. Muhammad T, why you raise your hand? Muhammad, unmute. Muhammad T, switch on your video. Muhammad T, can you hear me? Switch on your video. Why you raise your hand? Yes? Yes? Okay, then that portion is bud. It's an unopened bed for flower. An unopened leaf or flower. That is bud. What's mean by bud? An unopened leaf or flower. An unopened leaf or flower. Okay. Next is taproot. A long, thick root that grows downward into the soil. A long, thick root that grows downward into the soil. That is taproot. Okay. 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 Now it is reading time. Ifra, can you read first part? Unmute yourself. Ifra Ismail, read. Unmute, I can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Any problem? Then.
Please, I don't textbook.
Oh, sorry, I don't forget about. Then who is Aniha Mohan? Unmute yourself and read first part.
Part of a plant, our body is made up of different parts. A part's body should have different parts. Read the name of the different parts of a plant in figure 3.1. The part of a plant which grows above the ground is called the shoot. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The parts which grows below the ground is called the root.
Okay, good. That is enough. Then next 10. Yes, Anson. Only 4 minutes left. Where is Anson? Okay, unmute yourself. Why you raise your hand? I am giving option. Okay, unmute.
The root. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is a taproot. Plants like blossom, bean, and mustard have taproots.
Okay.
Fibrous root.
Okay, that is enough. That is enough. Then Aditya. Okay. Then third paragraph. Unmute. Aditya. Okay. Then fibrous root. I can't hear you.
Miss, my name is Advaidu.
Advaidu. Okay.
The stem. The stem grows above the ground. Look at Fiji 3.5. The stem of the neem tree is had the strong and
Not
woody.
hard.
This
This
is called
hmm, the tree
a
upright.
stem is called a trunk.
Hmm.
Banana has a green trunk and soft
Green,
stem.
thick and soft. Okay.
Money plant is
Okay. Speed കുറച്ച് slowly വായിക്കേ. Okay.
money plant
Hmm.
green way and soft.
Stem of the money plant.
It needs separate
It
to
needs
stay
support to stay
upright.
upright. It needs support to stay upright. Okay. Then that is then Hannah Rose, turn on your video. Hannah Rose. Okay. Unmute and read function of the stem. Next portion is function of the stem. Can you read, Hannah?
The main functions of stem is to hold the plant upright and
Support.
support its branches.
Good.
The stem also carries water to the leaves.
Okay.
The water taken in by the roots.
Okay, that is enough. That is our time is going to over. Yeah, listen, Hannah, that is enough for you. That is enough for today. Okay, only 1 minute is left. Then your homework is collect some green leaves. Collect green leaves and keep it in leaves in the inside a book leaf. Okay, just like take green leaf and keep inside a old book, not no using one. Or keep it inside a book and put some weight. That means 1 or 2 books over it. Okay, and keep it for 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, you can what the difference, what happened, and why you must write a note what happened to the leaves when you keep leaves like this for 2 or 3 days.